Certificate of Appointment. National Headquarters, Matanang Mansa Task Force Intelligence International. PNP DEC accredited.
Ha? Bibo.
235, second floor.
Chubibo.
Napoleon E. Rabor, Chapter Chairman. Lieutenant Colonel Matt Concardas, Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Office of the President Malacanang. Gabalo Chan. Gavin Chan. Samuel
Hello, Ate Tess, nandito ka pala.
Salmiron.
Ngayon lang kita nakita.
Kaya kasama na po yung ID. Congratulations. Next, James Paul L. Rabor, Chapter President. Congratulations. Congratulations, Paul Rabor. Next, Domingo F. Cofino Jr., Chapter Board of Directors. Congratulations. Joel R. Daito, Chapter Board of Directors. Yun o. Yun. Ano kaya? Ang galing. Ang galing ka na. Yan, sipag yan. Certificate of Ticlalbo, Chapter Board of Directors. Yun.
Next, Kuya B.O.T. Melencio Abroga.
Yun o!
Master, champion tayo kahapon.
Yun o! Ilabas mo na yung team.
Lito Pipa Amana. Ipagupit daw siya bukas. Next, the best advisor, Sir Nino Maliban.
Ingay mo, Wel!
Love you, sir. Congratulations sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay ang MMTF Naita Chapter and MMTF Pasig Chapter and all of MMTF Chapter. Thank you so much. The best tomorrow na to para sa ating MMTF number 1. Let's go.
Ingay mo!